In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change message format from HTML to rich text or plain text in Outlook. We'll do this in Outlook on the web, and I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly where to click. Changing your default format can be helpful for consistency, accessibility, and compatibility. HTML supports full styling like fonts, colors, and images. Rich text is a legacy format mainly used in older Outlook environments. Plain text keeps things clean and simple, removing all formatting so your message displays the same almost everywhere. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in so you land on your inbox. Once you're in Outlook, look to the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Settings panel. In the panel, select Mail to open the mail-related settings. From there, choose Compose and Reply. This is where Outlook keeps all the options that control how your messages look and behave while you're writing them. On the Compose and Reply page, find the section labeled Compose Messages In. Click the drop-down arrow to the right. You'll see the available formats: HTML, rich text, and plain text. For this walkthrough, choose plain text. Selecting plain text removes styling like bold, italics, colors, backgrounds, and embedded images, which can make your emails more universally readable and less likely to be flagged or reformatted by strict email systems. After you choose plain text, make sure to save your change. If you don't immediately see a Save button, scroll down the page a little. Save is typically at the bottom. Click Save, and you should see a confirmation that your settings were updated. From this point forward, any new message or reply you compose will use plain text by default. If you ever want to return to HTML or rich text, simply come back to the same Compose Messages in dropdown and pick the format you need. Then, save again. A few quick notes so you know what to expect. Converting to plain text will strip formatting from any draft you open after the change, so it's best to switch formats before you start writing. Links will still work, but they'll appear as full URLs. Attachments won't be affected by this setting. And that's it. You opened Outlook, went into Settings, selected Mail, chose Compose and Reply, changed Compose Messages into plain text, and saved your preference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you send emails in the format that works best for you.